Manmano dahi tanapo. Nga mapasama kitiray aw ni Ilocano. Agdadarom ton, agsasaruno. Aggigiddan nga samiweng. Ngay paay kada kayo ti Pinduters tayo. DJ Marvin po lamang.
When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. This strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for your stars, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you, and everything you do, and every step you'll make, and every road you'll take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you.
Ray Au ni Ilocano. Okay, next song.
Someone like you.
Someone like you.
Nakita nga samsam ni Wing eh. So, patik na kayo start show.
I got up this morning, fell off the bed,
Ahay.
trying to make it to the door.
Magsala ti mayata po, wan lumalaog.
The wind was high, I didn't have much time, trying to find the man he's gone. Then you came up on the other side to brighten up my day. I knew right away that this could be that man. Someone like you could make me change my ways. someone like you. Turn the night into day. There you are, standing on the crowded street.
Ano na?
You look so good, going down the back, walking through the floor. Someone like you could make me change my ways. Someone like you turn the night into day.
Ray Au.
Ni Ilocano.
Apo, nagitaman nga pa ng ram-ramas ito ah.
Kagita Ate Kiro.
I want to thank you now. I can't be back on the feet again. I want to thank you now. I can't be back on the feet again. Someone like you could make me change my way. Someone like you turn the night into day.
Yes, another song. Ikaw ang iibigin ko.
Apo, nagita nga request.
Nakantaan pa lang ati prinsesa kano Tiray Au ni Ilocano.
Oh, pwede ka nung.
Nga napintas kano.
Oh.
Manapo.
Sa dinggin mo ang awit ko ito, awit ng nagmamahal sa'yo, awit na may pag-ibig mula sa aking puso. Ang awit kong ito'y para sa'yo. Langit ang bawat saglit sa piling mo, ligaya kang tunay sa puso ko. Di ko magkakayanan mawalay ka sa akin. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka. Ikaw ang tangi kong iniibig, ikaw ang aking mahal, magpakailanman. Dito sa aking puso, wala nang papalit sa isang katulad mo. Kahit na magpakailan pa man, ikaw ang iibigin ko. Ikaw lamang ang
Aramidem mang
lahat
katanga.
para sa
Rock.
akin. Ikaw lamang
Nag-hip-hop
ang
mo siya.
siyang mamahalin. Ikaw lang ang siyang
Michael Marbey.
tanging nagbibigay sigla. Ang buhay ko ngayon may halaga. Ikaw ang tangi kong iniibig, ikaw ang aking mahal, magpakailanman. Dito sa aking puso, wala nang papalit ang isang katulad
What do you happen and how much your name?
Ikaw ang tangi kong iniibig, ikaw ang aking mahal, magpakailanman. Dito sa aking puso, wala nang papalit sa isang katulad mo. Kahit na magpakailan pa man, ikaw ang iibig, ikaw ang tangi kong iniibig, ikaw ang aking mahal, magpakailanman. Dito sa aking puso, wala nang papalit sa isang katulad mo. Kahit na magpakailan pa man, ikaw ang iibigin ko. Happy Valentine's!